Assalamu alaikum everyone. So starting with the first video of mine, that is vernier caliper. So we know that vernier caliper consists of two, the scales, the main scale and the smaller scale, vernier scale. So it basically consists of two of the jaws, the main bigger jaw for finding the length and diameter of the solid cylinders, the outer length, and the smaller jaw is used to find out the internal diameter. Well, apart from these jaws, it also has a tail that usually helps to find out the depth. So simply here's the way you can adjust it for the length and also for the diameter. Here simply we will tighten up the screw so that this solid cylinder get fixed easily. And the point to start taking the reading of this vernier caliper just begin here. You can see this is the main scale. You just need to observe the zero from the vernier scale, which is exactly lying upon the main scale. The point where the zero of the vernier scale is touching the point of main scale, that will be called as the main reading. Okay, so the zero is linking up with the value 2.7 of the main scale, but that's not the necessary reading. We will have to add some increment, some value from the vernier scale in the form of division. So we have seen the value which is, or the line which is exactly lying straight connecting the two scales line. That would be the extra division or vernier scale reading. We see at 4 the line is straight, it's not tilted, it's not bent, it's exactly straight line. So here the length is the sum of main scale reading and vernier scale reading. That's all from today's video. Inshallah, I will bring more videos in the form of conceptual questions and in the form of numerical. You can just type your query in the comment section.